Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, permissions, and a test asset. Open Blur and sign in. Make sure 2FA is active if you use it for security. Once signed in, grant camera, microphone, and storage access so exports and recordings work. Then import a short test clip. 720p or higher is ideal because it reveals processing behavior right away. This gets you into the app flow fast. You avoid later permission, prompts that interrupt edits, and you see results as you progress. You now perform the core edits. Choose the clip and set precise in /out points on the timeline. Apply a blur preset quickly or draw a custom mask where privacy is needed. Adjust strength and feather to blend edges. Once masked, enable motion tracking so the blur follows movement automatically. Make sure to check forward and backward tracks. If tracking misaligns, add manual keyframes to lock position. Then preview the sequence at half or full speed to confirm smooth coverage before finalizing. Once edits are solid, choose export settings, codec, resolution, and bitrate. 1080p at moderate bitrate balances quality and speed. Make sure to save a project copy before rendering. That preserves keyframes. If the blur jitters during playback or render, rerun motion tracking with more samples, tighten mask edges, or add manual keyframes where auto-track fails. If your CPU struggles, generate a lower resolution proxy and export using it, then swap back to full res for final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.